video I will make some small printing project with this 3D printer. So this 3D printer is this FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro, and here is one of the models which I model for the Halloween time. Here I have this, how to say, this killer teddy bear, and the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro print this model in around 2 hours, which is really fast. So some another bed slinger 3D printers will print this one around 6 to 7 hours. But what I will do in this video, I will make this killer teddy bear into some keychain. So in this case I need to resize the model, and over here in this ear I also need to make some hole, and then I will print some killer teddy bear keychains with this Adventurer 5M Pro. So like I said before, I need to resize this teddy bear, and I also need to make some hole in the ear, and this I will do here in this Blender. So Blender is free and is also not so difficult to use. So first of all I will delete everything like so, and I will import my model, which is this killer teddy bear, and I have over here, yeah. So like I said, now I will import the STL file of this killer teddy bear. Okay, so here is my model of this teddy bear, and now into this ear I will make some hole, and this I will do by creating some cylinder. Now I will select the model, and I will go over here, add boolean fast, and I will select this cylinder. And I get some hole in the ear really fast and also really simple. So actually you can make some keychains this way, like I show over here, with almost all models. You just import the model into the Blender. With some cylinder you will make some hole, but yeah, before exporting I need to select the model again, and I need to apply. So this way the hole will be like it is. Okay, so everything is now ready for making some keychain killer teddy bear. Now I need to export the STL file. There only selected. So over here you have the scale. So right now the scale is set to 1, but we need to have this teddy bear a little bit smaller, and for this reason I will go with I don't know, let's say 0.5 or 0.4 will be great. And now I will export this model. So here I have my file, and this file I will import into the Orca slicer. So this time I will use some Orca slicer instead of FlashPrint 5 because it is a little bit better in my opinion. And now I need to check the size. Yeah, when we when we export the model in the scale of 0.5, then the actual model, the height of the model is 75 millimeters. So for this reason I will go back to the Blender, and I will export this model again, but this time I will set the scale on 0.45. And now I will check what will be now the height of this model. Yeah, now I have, the height of the model is right now 5 centimeters or 51 millimeters. Okay, this is good. So I will rotate the model like so, and I will duplicate three times because I will have some teddy bears for my friends. Okay. I need to also add some supports. I will go with 3 support. Really nice. So the printing time is really awesome. 2 hours and 20 minutes. And after a little bit more than 2 hours of printing, my little teddy bears are ready. And now we'll put on this chain. So guys, that's it about this little project, how to make some custom keychain. Really nice. So, we see us in the next video. Bye.